Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake Madras Samayal. First, let's prepare the base. You'll need about 1.5 cups of crushed biscuits, like graham crackers or digestive biscuits. Mix these thoroughly with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Once combined, press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This creates a perfect, sturdy crust for your delicious cheesecake. Now let's create that wonderfully creamy filling. In a large bowl, beat 16 ounces of softened, full-fat cream cheese until it's completely smooth and lump-free. Next, gradually add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. In a separate bowl, whip 1.5 cups of cold, heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. This will give your cheesecake its light, airy texture. With your whipped cream ready, gently fold it into the cream cheese mixture until everything is just combined and smooth. Be careful not to overmix, as we want to keep that lovely airy texture. Now, pour this creamy filling evenly over your chilled biscuit crust in the springform pan. Cover it loosely with plastic wrap and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to ensure it sets perfectly. Once your cheesecake is perfectly set, it's time for the best part, serving. Carefully remove it from the springform pan. You can garnish your beautiful creation with fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate sauce, or a simple fruit compote. Slice and enjoy this incredibly easy and delicious no-bake cheesecake. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to this fantastic book and other great deals. It's a wonderful resource for anyone looking to improve their financial well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.